With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone, let us start with our question. In this question, what is given that in the circuit we need to find what is the value of V. Now V is given as to be this one. So there are several resistance here and there is a 5 ampere current which is also given. Okay, and we need to find what is the value of V. So this 5 ampere current, so it is basically coming from the branch C. That means it is entering into the battery. That means 5 ampere current would be coming from the battery. So the total current which would be circulating here, we could get the value which is equals to 5 ampere. Now, if we can get what is the effective resistance for this part, okay, then we can get the value of V. Now, how to get the value of the equivalent resistance? First of all, now the current which would be coming here, so it would be dividing. But if we see the ends for the 20 ohm resistor, so this end, okay, this end is fixed at this part. So this whole portion would be at the same voltage. Now, exactly the same voltage would be for our this 100 ohm and 25 ohm. Why? Because these have been connected with a common wire, so they would be having a common voltage. Okay, this is one part of our this end of the this 20 or 100 or 25. Now if we see the second part of their end, now this part, this has been directly connected. Okay, so that means 100 and 20, the other end would be at the same voltage. Now if we see the other end of a 25, it is connected by the wire, that means it is also at the same voltage. What we can say? We can say that this 20, this 100 and this 25, these are basically connected in parallel. Why? Because their each end is at the same voltage. So we can say that this is our 20, let's say this is our 100, and let's say this is our 25. So their end, we can just say that they are connected by the same wire, so their end is at the same potential. Okay, in the figure itself it was not exactly clear, so we are just redrawing this part. So it is 20, this is our 100, and this is our 25 ohm. Then we are having our, this would be our 6 ohm, and into this part it would be our 4 ohm. Now it would be connected by a battery. Okay, so the battery would be basically a V volt battery, or we can it would be a battery or a cell V, and the current which is given in the circuit, it is given as to be 5 ampere. So that means the current from the battery would be, total current would be 5 ampere. Now this is a very simple circuit. So first of all, we calculate what is the value of this effective resistance in the parallel. So we denote the resistance as to be R. So it would be 1 by R. We just write. So 1 by R, because in the parallel we need to take the reciprocal and then we can add. So 1 divided by 20 plus 1 divided by 100 plus 1 divided by 25. So this would turn out to be 100 will be the LCM. It would be 5 plus 1 plus 4. That means 10 divided by 100. So our R for this part would be equals to 10 ohm. Now this 10 ohm would be in series with this 4 and this 6. So what would be the R equivalent? R equivalent would be for the circuit, because in the series we can directly add the resistance. So it would be 4 plus 10 plus 6. So 4 plus 10 plus 6, this would be equals to 20 ohm. Okay, now if this is the this equivalent, and we know the equivalent current, so V would be equals to I into R by the Ohm's law. What is the current by the battery? It is 5. What is the R equivalent? It is 20. So the answer would be 100 volts. So 100 volts is the correct answer. Which is the correct option? B is our correct option. Hope you understood the solution. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.